Unplugging from the world. Understanding, drop off the grid. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression. Drop off the grid. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a doorway to understanding contemporary English, especially in a world increasingly dominated by technology and connectivity. Drop off the grid is an idiomatic expression in English. To understand this phrase, let's break it down. The word grid refers to the power grid or a network of electricity supply. However, in this idiom, it symbolizes the interconnected nature of modern society, including technology, communication, and day-to-day activities. To drop off, this grid means to disconnect or withdraw from social networks, technology, or modern conveniences, often to lead a more simple, secluded life. This phrase is commonly used to describe someone who chooses to live off the radar. It's often associated with people seeking a break from the hectic pace of modern life, or sometimes with those who wish to escape the public eye. For example, after years in a high-pressure job, Jenna decided to drop off the grid and move to a cabin in the mountains. Drop off the grid has gained popularity in a world where being constantly online is the norm. It's a phrase that resonates with many who feel overwhelmed by the demands of digital connectivity. Variations of this phrase include going off the grid or living off the grid. Each variation carries a similar connotation of seeking a simpler, less connected lifestyle. We hope this explanation of drop off the grid helps you understand not just the phrase itself, but the cultural context behind it. This idiom is a perfect example of how language evolves with society. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more interesting phrases with you in our future videos. Stay curious and keep learning.